Alright, here we go, YouTube. I'm gonna run IP300 Turbosound off Fox Nova again. I love that little thing. Ts315. Gonna run it from the iPhone, so I'm gonna use some aux cables. Don't feel like hooking up the mixer right now. And we got the poles. So this is behind the scenes. It takes some time to actually set things up before actually the videos are made. So I've learned to appreciate YouTubers that put some time into it. It's awesome. But I'll be back. And the boy checking me out. He wants to be the next YouTuber. Say hi, Kieran.
Hi.
There you go. We'll be back. What's going on, YouTube? Here we go. A little tutorial on Ts315 and IP300. Both in the same price range, $350. Both made for different applications, I feel. 315 is great, especially if you EQ it right. You get a reception. Quite a few people too, without the sub. RMS 1000. Right now I have it set up. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Using an aux cable, running both channels at Unity, because that's the only way I can do it right now because I don't have the proper cable. But phones running copyright music free. You got halfway. My son asked me, am I trying to make him deaf? No, I'm not trying to make you deaf. But I did say I was making a video, and you chose to come down here. And this is part of the video. Cover your ears. But Ts315, great little speaker. Let me see if I could fix this resolution. It'd be great if I could do an uncut version. Said, iPhone connected straight to the back. I was gonna run the Fox Nova, but I don't know if it could handle that power. But I do have the battery powered hooked up to the IP. So that's how I run my ceremony and cocktail hour. I'll get to that next. But overall, very simple. You're not getting nothing extra, no Bluetooth, no apps. But if you just want power, clarity, there you go. $350. Add a bag, it's about four and change. Great little speaker though. I think it's right at 37 pounds, 40 pounds. Look, they got 1, 2, 3, 4 handles. Great, easy to put on a pole. Also, you could put your wash lights up top if you wanted to. That's what a lot of people do. I started doing that now. I got that from actually Rick Webb. And then everybody else is doing it now, so it's just a lot easier. It saves you a lot of time. And look, like I always say, as soon as I make a video, someone has to call. I'll be right back. See you in the future. Alright, I'm back. That was the wifey calling, doing some grocery shopping, checking in to see if I like anything extra. #1 woman. Love her. Feed that belly. That's another thing. I gotta lose weight. I'm like 20 pounds overweight. Ridiculous. But reception, big party, 200 people. I would have no no problem doing it. I'm actually doing a wedding this Saturday. I'm gonna use these two for my mains. I was thinking about putting them on totems. I'm not really sure how that works yet. I have to see how I feel about it, stability-wise.
As a store owner,
they have awesome dumps.
And UFG's
awesome.
Protecting it.
They were up to 126 when you go straight up to it, and it was about 109 when you're further away. It's if it's EQ'd right, you're great because the highs are a little high and the mids are a little high. So you balance that out, you're perfect. $350. They had a JBL next to it, a Guitar Center, and if you EQ both of them right, yeah, JBL is awesome with the apps and all the extra things in the background. Bluetooth, I think they had too. It was great. More output, more inputs, but this is plain Jane. Like buying a fully loaded Mustang versus the base model V8. Both have the same engine, so they both have the same dump. Just don't have all that moon roofs, convertibles, whatever. So it's up to you on that. But it's a great speaker. Can't go wrong. Love the four handles though. It's so convenient. Super clear though. But I'll be playing a video. I'm using that Ronin right now gimbal. So I'm trying to see, because now I can hit the little button. Well, if I had my phone off, I could. Let's go check out that's the next one up right there. IP300. That is perfect by itself for ceremony and cocktail hour. Now, if you want to do a reception on that one, I would suggest getting a sub. I already have 218, so I'm okay with that. The sub is fine. So I'm thinking about getting a second one just so I can have it, because I do like the Bluetooth in that for ceremony, because I can control, and the app because I can control my microphone. So if I have the efficient talking and I have a second microphone for like a violinist, like I had wedding before, I can control both microphones and make sure I'm good, no feedback. Then it runs off Bluetooth. You can actually have your Bluetooth and the music running and control the app at the same time. That is a great speaker. $350. Super light. Maybe I'll be able to go right into this one without, you don't have to change just the gimbal thingy. There we go. Awesome. Gotta do something with this light. Too bright. Sorry about that. It's a little better, but that one's still bright too. A little light. Oh, the light bulb went out. That's good. That's okay. I got this one in my face. This is crazy. These little fancy thingamajiggies. That's too dark, right? There we go. Once again, IP300. See if I can zoom in for you guys. Here's where all the magic happens. I do my battery powered ceremonies. This, that, Bluetooth in my phone or my iPad. Can't go wrong. You have all different settings. You got your inputs 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. You mix out. Hear the buzzing? Nothing grounded. Yeah, so you can do Bluetooth. You have 3 inputs really. I usually connect one mic here, which I have the dual mic set, which works fine. And then I connect Bluetooth to my tunes or whatever list they Spotify, which I'm going to give you. And that's pretty much it. Simple, super convenient handle. Awesome. Okay. It's fairly easy to put on too. Again, this is 2 6-inch, and then it has 4 tweeters going all different directions. So this does up to 120-degree angle or value. The 315 does 90, but it has higher dB, of course, because it's a 15. But all depends on your app. So if you're looking for ceremony cocktail hour by itself, you're fine, because you can EQ it. Because I did EQ it pretty good, but it had a little thumb coming out and it wasn't too bad. So if you EQ it right, which is built-in EQs, super helpful. And the app, you can EQ it from the app. I forgot about that. It's super helpful. But most likely we'll get another one in just to have it, because then I can set up one cocktail, one ceremony, I'm done. I don't have to break down and rush. Oh man, do ceremony. I have to break it down. It looks kind of tacky. I'd rather have more speakers than enough speakers. Looking to get the 12-inch for this, Turbosound. You can't get it. It arrives in December sometime. So you can just pre-order it. That's all you can do. And they're about $600 each, which is great. That dump, that clarity, and everything works together. It's awesome. But this is me. Someone had asked another video. So the Alto 315, I definitely would do that for any reception or a big party or a big event, because it throws a lot of bass and it throws a lot of highs and mids, which you have to cut down a little bit because it's a little too hard to hear. But yeah, it's an awesome little speaker. Let's see if I get pretty smooth, that gimbal. I'm just here trying to find a good copyright-free song. If anybody knows any, put it in the comments. Try and get some maybe house. Try commercial first. That is extremely loud. That was Unity in the back of the speaker. The iPhone was turned up to max. Man. Whew, hurt my ears on that one. Woo! Since I'm here, I might as well hook up the other speaker, put Bluetooth, and you'll see the difference. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. We're hooked up. That's the IP300. But if you shut it off, the YouTube app off, it shuts off. So see if I get a good copyright-free music from Apple. There you go. Good stuff. I hear a lot of people playing this in the background. I've done a few of them like that. So, turbo sound. There we go. Here's the app. Make sure you can see it. Don't see me. Now there's the volume. Pretty good. Input 2, which I can pretty much turn these down. I'm only running off Bluetooth right now. EQ. I'll bring that down. You bring that down. Right now I have only the bass up. Put some mid up. Pretty good stuff. All Bluetooth. Oh, battery power. Oh, that's it. Oh. Perfect for a ceremony. Perfect. But yeah, I guess depending on the event and where it's at, if it's a small enough room, you probably could get away with it if you EQ them right. But for your bigger weddings, you definitely want to go with the 15. Bigger rooms. But this is for reception. The ceremony, cocktail hour, perfect by itself. I'm thinking about getting one of them little stands, like the studio stands, because it's so high already. It'd be perfect. It'd be like a gravity stand, and you get it for like $60 instead of $300, whatever the hell they pay. But it's a great little speaker. So all depends on what you need and where you're using it. Small event is fine. Doesn't take up much juice. I'm using that Fox Nova again. I'm ordering one more. It's in back order right now. It's still like $100 though, which isn't bad. I actually ran that for a little bit, but I only had it 1/3 of the way, not even half on the 15. I figured it would drain it too fast, so I didn't even try. So I'm gonna turn it up real quick. I want to see how loud it get with the dB meter. What the heck? You hear it already, right? I'm not even gonna shut it off. I'll be right back. Perfect time the song stops. Gotta love it. Cannot make this up. percent, so it's not so bad. It got up to like 96. It's not meant to be a dumping speaker. It has mids, it has highs, it does its job. I love both speakers, but you're paying $350 for either one. Depending what you want, this one has a little bit more bells and whistles. It has bigger range, 120 degrees. Sounds pretty good though. Let's turn it up. Alright, it hit 100, not bad. But overall, ceremony cocktail, very small room area. You want them, or if you just want it for speeches are really good. You do corporate events, that's a beautiful speaker for corporate events. Because most people are just doing speeches. Speeches you can do a huge room because it's just that wide and that's 90 degrees. So again, you got this one, $350, about $350 I think it was. That one's about $350. All depends what you want and what you need. Let's turn you on. Oh, there you go. There we go. We're back. So, and this is the 315 over here. So, depending on what you want, plain basic, no Bluetooth, no app, no nothing. But you can add the Bluetooth total. You have Bluetooth. I have the Alto Stealth. I actually lost my Bluetooth total at my last gig because it was so dark. I guess when we were loading and unloading, it must have fell out. Kind of irks me at $60, $50 that I lost. Gotta be more careful next time. Definitely will be. But that's the Alto Stealth. And I got 4 receivers with the one transmitter, so I'm okay. But once again, big parties, great dump, great EQ. If you EQ it, it's great. And over there, come follow me. Let's see if it works. No, wrong way. Go over here. And this is great for ceremony, cocktail hour, reception. This is a max of 600 watts continuous, is 300 RMS. It's hard to tell. It's just everything, when it gets so loud after a while, your ear only can take so much. But great speaker, great speaker. And once again, I'm gonna post this. I'm up to about 127 subscribers now, which I love it. We all gotta support each other. There's enough content out there for everybody, and we can learn from each other. You wanna move up a little bit?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You heard him? Like, subscribe, comment, all good stuff. One of my biggest fans right there. But again, like, subscribe, comment. Ask me if you want any more reviews. Let's see if I can do this real quick while I'm here. But we're gonna definitely use this Ronin SC. This weekend coming up, I hate the balancing. I just can't get it perfect. I got 2 out of 3. I change one and change another one, boom. But I'll work on that. But it works smooth though. Look at that. I go around my room. And I'm back. That's awesome. And there's other features on here, of course. But once again, they're both about the same price. Depending on your application, what you need, what you want. And if you can afford both, buy both. I don't get paid from either one of these companies because I buy my own stuff. I use PayPal, I use Zounds, I use Affirm loans. There's a lot of things out there. Musicians, friend, there's like 4 different things I use. But I get it, I buy it, I pay it off. I get it, I buy it, I pay it off. Eventually I'll have enough. But right now, oh, we gotta switch the phone. Rookie mistake. Look at that, rookie mistake. But once again, like, subscribe, comment. I got a ton of different things. The Rockville wedges. Want to take a quick look before I leave? You got time? Got some time? Come on, come for a walk. Here we go. Don't mind, my room's a little messy. A little emptier here with shelves. That's with the speakers outside. I rearranged my room again. Got the 18s. Let go up high. There we go. That's a Matrix 1000 B52. Long time I had that. Works good. Has the preamps, and it also has, it could run 2 passive 150s. 150 watts each. So we got the 18s, boom. Bunch of poles. The other 315. The ZLX 12s. I got the 310s. I got Mr. Cool Fog Machine. I got the Stealth. Bunch of microphones up there. I got the American Beat Bluetooth 8 or something like that. The 2 little speakers. I was using them for ceremony for a while. There's the other 308s. I got a gig bar over here. I got my ring light for my facade. For my photo booth. Bag of wires, more lights, generators, and all fun stuff. Tons of lights, tons of props. And that was our newest addition. Can you see it? Oh, it's a great little set. Sturdy. Probably, I'm getting another one eventually. And I'm going to stack them high, and then I'll get a strap that you can put a couple more bags on, just roll them right in. Nice and easy. Simple, easy does it. But yeah, that's my room. That's also when I get is Rockville totems, compare them too. But once again, like, subscribe, comment. Just trying to grow this channel, grow. And there's a ton of YouTubers out there, not just for DJing, but other genres. That actually kind of interesting, kind of funny. So don't be afraid to broaden your horizon. Check them out. You don't have to go with the top guys. A lot of guys with 100, 200,000, 4,000, whatever, 2, 3 subscribers. They actually have pretty good content. You just have to give them a try. It doesn't hurt. But once again, this is John signing off. I've been working a lot, so I can do a lot less videos now. But I'm going to try to post once a week again. I was posting a couple a week. Now I'll try to post once a week, so I look at the comments. And I try to post on the weekends. But if you can, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Share. That's a good thing. My son's even sharing with his little friends. Peace. I'll see you later.